We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello everyone. Here we have discussed Unit 1 Advanced SQL, which is a part of Advanced Database Management subjects in Diploma Computer Engineering. There are some topics listed here. First one is transaction control, second data control, third one synonyms, fourth one sequence, fifth one index, and sixth is views. So let us start one by one. First one is transaction control. Transactions control. First of all, what do you mean by transaction? Then the definition of transaction is a transaction is a set of database operations that perform a particular task. For example, I want to transfer a money from one account to another account, which is one kind of example of the transactions. So a transaction must be completely successfully or completely failed. A transaction which is not have any intermediate part or any intermediate state. A transaction must be complete all or completely revoked or fail. So next we go for the which type of TCL command available in database. There are the 2 types of TCL command available in database, 3 types of command: commit, save point, and rollback. The TCL command which is give a flexibility to undo or write the transactions to our disk or our permanent disk. Transactions provide a consistency in the case of system failure. For example, we have to perform insert operations in our table or database at the time of system failure, then our inserted data could not be deleted as it is available in the table. So TCL command for commit, save point, and rollback. Let us start with the commit. What do you mean by commit? A commit is a command which is perform a particular task whom are permanently store our data in hard disk. There are 2 ways of commit available in transactions of database: explicitly commit or implicitly commit. Explicitly commit done by the user and implicitly commit done by the Oracle itself. The syntax of explicitly commit is like just complete your whole work and at last type in the SQL prompt just a commit. So the output is commit completed. These are the example of the explicitly commit. Now for the implicitly commit, there are some operation which force to commit occur automatically even user do not specify the commit. Quit command, exit command, DDL command as like create, alter, and drop. So I just type a quit command in SQL prompt, then the SQL automatically commit our database or table. Same exit and same, create, alter and drop. Next one is rollback. What do you mean by rollback? Rollback means cancel the transaction completely. Rollback command terminate the current transactions and undo all the change made by the transactions. So, we use a syntax, just write a rollback in SQL prompt, then all the operations can be undo. Third one is save point. First of all, what is the save point? Save point command used to cancel the transaction partially, where the rollback command is used to cancel the transaction completely. The syntax for how to create a save point name, these are the creation of save point. Then the output is save point created, and which point we want to roll back our operations, then roll back to save point name. The output is rollback completed. So now we aware with the 3 TCL command: commit, save point and rollback. For example, we have to consider this example for the practice of our TCL command. First point is create the table name as a student with the 5 different data: student ID, student name, branch, city and date of birth. First of all, create the table in SQL prompt. After creating the table, insert the 10 records in the student table. After that, display all 10 records from SQL prompt. After, make commit. So, the 10 records permanently stored in our hard disk. After that, perform a delete operations from the student table where branch equals to computer, and again display the student table. Roll back to student table, display after rollback, also display a student table, create the save point A, delete from the student where student ID equals to 10, and at last perform the rollback to save point. These are the some list of the operations which we have to perform in our next audio from SQL prompt. So now in our next audio we have to perform a TCL command like commit, save point and rollback. So consider this example in our next video for the performance of TCL command. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.